Alright, I needed a change, and I'm sick of these grays peeking at the front. So y'all can come along with me in my process of dyeing my hair. Let's have some fun. Got 3 minutes, and then I'm gonna add, I did already put it in, so yeah, my bad, y'all. Sizzlin copper. And soft. It's all over my shirt, child. Soft Auburn. This is a messy process. Okay, so I started to record a little late because I changed my mind. I wanted to go ahead and go through my process. I haven't dyed my hair in so long, especially a light color. I have done black previously, but I want to try something new. I'm getting older. I just wanted to give myself a little bit of a little itty bitty makeover. So since I had success dyeing Kaya's hair, I thought I can give a shot with this. I used that to wash it out and condition. I did use the brush to apply to the ends. I wasn't sure how I felt about it right now. What y'all think? Be honest. I'm gonna blow dry it with some straight card and a little bit of silk infusion. So I'm gonna detangle before I blow dry. And I made sure I stretch the hair. So I'll put what I use in the description. By then I started to like it, I guess. And if you're interested in this color, you can just follow the instructions. I just want to do a quick video to show how it turned out for me and what happens with the grays. If you have any, you know, how the color lightens with the grays. So I'm just gonna do a press on it and see what I want to style it afterwards. Probably put it in a ponytail because of work. I did use 2 packs of each color, 30 developer, until it was like kind of cake batter consistency. And yeah, I followed the instruction. 20 minutes for the ends. They was tripping. It was ready for me to finish. But anyway, I'll put everything I did in the description. I just wanted you guys to see how it turned out. So let me take care of them.